Hey, how's it going? So this is part 2 of me going through this palette of raw charity shop donations. I kind of ran over a bit last time. So for those who didn't watch the last video, I paid £120 for this pallet. It was like that big and I went through 3 boxes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through one box and you can have a look in. I'll probably go through a few more and show you the results afterwards. Otherwise, this is going to be a very long video series. So I'm going to try and stick this into 3 videos. So do this next half and then do the bottom half afterwards. So I'll get you a bit closer in and we'll have a look in the box. Right then, let me go and get a knife and we'll get cracking. I'm doing a really safe way of holding a knife like this. We'll dig into this one because that one can wait. Do the weight test. Oh, yeah, it's pretty heavy. So for those who may have not watched the last video, this is raw charity shop media donations. So it could be stuff that's been priced too high, or it could be just they've had too much, or some places like Salvation Army don't like putting any horror films out. Some places don't sell media at all. So these are sold by the weight. They can be quite tricky to get sometimes. And I've had this for far too long. A long time. And it's been sat in my unit, so it's now time to sort through it. Most of it will be junk. Hopefully there's something decent. Oh, and this one's got CDs in it. Lots of CDs. Okay. So, there we go. What have we got? So we've got some of them. Friend buys those off me. Right, we've got some Kylie. Got some Madonna. Again, they're going for bundles. So we've got some very battered DVDs. They can be got rid of. Oh, June. I'll put that separately because I have sold that before. Wild Boys. So yeah, what I'm doing is I've got a bag for charity and then a bag for recycling for any of the dodgy knockoff stuff. Theme Hospital, I've sold that in the past. It's not bad condition. Doesn't go for loads, but there we go. Shameless Season 2, not worth anything. Right, Sims 3. That's not got the disc in. So that's always good. I'll keep the manual out of that and the rest can go. I normally take that to CEX anyway, and they do require the manual. Pure Silk Garage. Not on my street, but it might be up somebody's. The CDs I do check for Music Magpie and the like. What's this? Wow, monster hits. Oh, it's the Sugar Puffs guy. Wow, Entrance, Sash. Wow, I'm taking that one home. I'm listening to that in the car. Showing my age. That's one for charity. Final Destination. So far, very mediocre, but oh yes, I'm a bit of this. This is looking good. Now 24. We'll look that one up in a bit. Euphoria, mixed by Dave Pearce. I will definitely be keeping that one. What have we got? Sims 2 University. That's typically not worth anything. Let's Silence of the Land. I will keep that to one side because I do a horror bundle near Christmas. Alright, let's look at Now 24. No products found. Have I scanned that wrong? Let's try that again. Okay, that scanned them. So that one's not worth anything. Right. There we go. Obviously that's asking price, but 20 quid. Decent. What are the discs like? Let's have a gander. Oh my god. It's got disc rot. Gosh darn it. It's got disc rot. Well, it's to be expected. I'll probably make a video about that. But yeah. So what I'll do is I'll dig in a bit more. If I find anything good, I'll start recording again. Right, so I've gone through that box. I'll do another one, but I will show you some of the interesting things that I found. So I did find some, so I've got a nice little bundle of Kylie CDs, so that's good. That'll sell well, because I've got some other ones. A few Xbox games. Well, sorry, my camera's falling over. Try that again. So, Xbox games, nothing spectacular, but there was a good one in here. This is cool. Leisure Suit Larry, Collector's Edition 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6 from Big Box PC Game. About 10 to 15 from looking at comps. Sims 3 game, I had those two bundles on its own. It's worth about £5. Save that one to last. Bit of a battered copy of Sims Busting Out. That'll go in the trading pile. Juice Newton goes for about £10. And now 83. I think that was about 8 quid. But this one, dirty like the last load of games. It's not one I've ever seen before. Crime Life Gang Wars. It's in there with a manual, and it's got some scuffs, but it'll clean up. And that, looking on eBay, is about 45 to 50 quid. So that's an absolute result. So with that, and in the last video, I think that's paid for the pallet. So we're quarter of the way through, and the pallet's been paid for. I mean, it hasn't, because I've not sold it yet. So yeah, it'd be interesting what CEX actually pay for that as well. Let's have a quick gander. So yeah, you see there, CEX. It's in stock, £28 they're selling it for, and they are paying £13 cash, £18 voucher. So maybe 45's egging it a bit. Maybe say 35 to 40, because it's in, alright, the manual's really crisp. So yeah, so I'll dig into this box, we'll open it up and see what we can find in there. Right then, my nice safe. I really need to get a holder thing for these. I have got one, but I just keep losing them. My pen knife desperately needs sharpening, which I will do in due course. But for now, I'm risking my fingers doing it this way. Right, move this somewhere else. Let's see what we've got. Okay, more CDs. Ooh. So, Red Alert 2, is it in there? It's not in there. Boo. Oh well. Skylanders. That's in there, but I don't think that's worth anything. Right, I'll get stuck in. There's nothing I can see off the top, except an Alan Partridge box set. I'll get stuck in, and if I find anything, I'll let you know. Right, so this box is empty now. Been a bit of a strange one, this one has. And I've got some alright stuff. Got some Wii games, just a little Skylander bundle. I'll just add that to the Wii games that I've got. What's been weird is there's lots of empty cases. So I showed you this one, empty. It's a shame this one isn't in there. That's empty, empty, and empty. So weird. Some strange ones. Face School, and from the same person, this one. So I'll probably bundle those together for a tenner. Some Mist games. I think I should get about 10 to 12 for those three, which is nice. Game of Thrones Season 7. This trades in for, I think, £3 cash, £6 voucher. I just haven't checked whether the discs are in there. Yeah, it is. So that one will get traded in. I don't seem to be able to sell these. I can't list some HBO stuff like this on Amazon, and they don't seem to shift on eBay. So that'll be traded in. I'll show you the good stuff in a bit. This blinking thing. I swear this CD is in every single charity shop in the UK, as well as the Ashes box set. This is the CD version of the Ashes box set. It is in every single one. I don't know whether it was like given out in papers or something, but this, I never see anything from any other composers. It's always this Mozart one in every single charity shop. Crazy. That breaks my heart seeing stuff like this. It's Students and Staff Christmas 2004, and that's the school, I'm assuming, Now and Then, and it's got like, you know, the finger painting and stuff like that. And you got to think like, what happened? How did this end up at the charity shop? I'm assuming it was like someone's grandma that maybe passed away, and then all of the stuff ended up at the charity shop. You just can't help but wonder how this ended up at the charity shop. And these kids that are here now are going to be in their 20s. So yeah, this happens quite a lot, and I don't know, maybe I'm a soppy sod, but I do think, what's the story behind that? Right, onto the good stuff. So pan you up a bit so you can see me. There was I've not checked the discs on these, but this feels like it's in there. The Wire, the complete set. I think the last one of those I sold was about 15 quid because the guy out of it died. So that was around that time. Whether they're still going for that, I don't know. Some French language ones there, like a tenner each. That one I think is about £5 or £6, so on the cheap side. Les Mis, is it in there? That one goes for about 15, 20. It's like an older one from 1989. Tchaikovsky, classic ballets. Always look out for this Opus Arts. Always good to look for. Again, I've not checked the discs. This one I did. You can see there it was Cancer Research. You wanted £2 for it. Unfortunately, it's missing the first disc. Cheapest I can find on eBay is 20 quid, but I mean, if you're missing the first disc, I mean, I could try and sell it missing the first disc, but that's kind of important, really. You would think the first disc. Don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Dungeon Keeper 2, I think that goes for like 5, 6 quid. It came with Age of Empires as well. GTA San Andreas, I keep those for bundles. This is one you saw me on the thing. I can only find it new for £12.99, so I'll probably get a tenner for it. It's 9, 10 quid. This one was a surprise. I couldn't find. It's an American one. I've not checked the discs, but it could be a good one. I can only find it on Amazon for 50, I think it was. I can't find any comps on eBay for it, so I haven't checked American though. But yeah, Anne Perry, Joel Olstein, It's Your Time. Oh, it's like a religious faith one. This goes for about 10, 12 quid. And then just some CDs. Most of these are sort of Well, that's a bundle there. Probably ask about £8 for that. This one's about 10, 12. This one's about £20. Fish, Field of Crows. Another bundle of this Gordon guy, bundle of 3 there. Elvis Ultimate Gospel. That doesn't sell for loads, but it'll sell quick. And Michael Holiday, the EP collection. It's not in there. It's really heavy. It feels like that should be in there. Oh well, it's on it. So there you go, not too bad. I mean, nothing crazy outstanding, but slow and steady, it's steady stuff. I mean, I like to think if each box is about 20, 30 quid, it's not too bad. It's a lot of work though. So yeah, if you've not watched part 1 of this video, I'll link it up there, but looks like it's going to go a bit further. Go on to probably at least 1 or 2 more videos. So if you like this video, smash the like button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.